Pinatutsadahan umano ni Pangulong Noynoy Aquino ang kanyang communications group matapos niyang hindi gamitin ang speech na hinanda para sa kanya ng grupo sa isang prayer assembly sa Pasig City noong Biyernes. Gumawa na lang ang Pangulo ng kanyang sariling speech. Kaugnay nito, makakapanayam natin si Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Valte. Good morning po, ma'am.
Hi, Cara. Good morning.
Okay, ma'am, pakilinaw po sa amin, totoo po ba na pinatutsadahan ni Pangulong Aquino yung kanyang communications group dito sa speech na hindi daw niya nagustuhan?
Nangyari po yan nung Friday, Cara, when the President did not read the speech that was prepared for him. But at this point, allow me to say na meron po talagang minsan na nangyayaring ganito na the President chooses not to read the prepared speech that was given to him.
So this is not the first time that it happened?
Hindi naman. Normally, kapag ganyan, kapag merong hindi nagugustuhan ng Pangulo, sinasabi naman po niya agad at nire-rectify naman po yan agad ng ating mga speechwriters.
Tinawag daw niyang normally gifted yung kanyang speechwriters. Ano pong reaction niyo dito?
Well, of course, he has a very bright crop of young speechwriters that support the President for the requirements of his speeches.
Right.
Normally gifted, siguro po dahil ang punto ng Pangulo ay baka hindi nga po talaga niya meron po siyang hindi nagustuhan doon sa particular na speech noong Biyernes. But can I say that hindi naman po ito this is not the case. The President on any given week gives about a minimum of 5 speeches at madalas naman po ay wala naman pong nagiging puna ang Pangulo.
So hindi naman tamang sabihin na he is parang kumbaga hindi na siya satisfied dun sa performance ng buong communications group?
Siguro po at least on our part, hindi din naman pong, it would not be prudent for us naman to generalize on the basis of one speech.
Right.
At malinaw naman po dun sa sinabi nga ng Pangulo na yung remarks po niya were directed at that particular speech only.
Alright, maraming salamat po, Yusek Abigail Valte.
Maraming salamat at magandang umaga po.